Realtors, there's only one thing that's holding you back from growing your real estate business and closing more deals. Stop scrolling. This is life-changing. That one thing is having complete confidence in a guaranteed and proven system that generates and converts quality leads into deals predictively and consistently month after month and year after year. My name is Kelly Norris and I'm a licensed real estate broker. And for over the last 30 years, I've been helping agents just like you increase their annual incomes by $500,000 or more with my RDS growth system. I developed this system to help real estate agents get out of their own way, believe in themselves, and keep from spending ridiculous amounts of money jumping from one lead generation system to another. You should never again be worried about where your next deal is coming from. I've put together a free training on my website to show you exactly how this is done and to explode your income in 2025 and beyond. Stop scrolling and just click the link below and check out this free training. You'll be glad you did.